Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery of your Suzuki Swift. First step, open the car hood, open the door, and there is a lever. This lever you are not going to see in my video, sorry about this, but there it is. Pull the lever and open the car hood by pushing the car hood to the open place. And of course use the support stick to support the car hood. Yes, good job, man. Now, as you can see on the right side, if you're standing in front of your car, there it is, the battery. First step, have a look. Left side is the plus pole, and on the right side there is the minus pole. Use to disassemble the minus pole. Use a 10mm wrench to open the clamp and lift the minus wire to another position. Now it's time for the left side of your battery, and this is the plus pole. Use a 10mm wrench to open the clamp and lift the minus pole or the minus clamp up and get it to another position. Good job. Lift it. Good job. Good job. Now bend it a little bit and place it out of range of the battery. Good job. Next step will be we have to disassemble this nut on the left side or the left bottom side of the battery. This is a battery lock. For this we will use a socket wrench with an extension and a nut in what is this, 13 millimeters. Good. Now unscrew the screw on the bottom and extract this part. This is the lock. Yeah, rotate it left side. This is the supporting lock for your battery for a better stand. Good. Yeah, there it is. Good job, man. Really good job. Awesome. This is awesome. Now you are able to lift up the old battery and get the battery to recycling, of course. Now, as you can see, this is the support stand for the new battery. We will use a water black dynamic, a 12 volt, 41 AH and 360 A. Good job. Have a look on the ground side. Oh, there's a grip. Good job. Rotate the battery that the minus pole is right and the plus pole is on the left side. Now get the one side of the battery in the lock on the right side and have a look on the left side. There will our screw lock. Assemble it back in position. Aim good. Good job. Now rotate it by your hand first. And after you tighten the screw by your hand, use a socket wrench to tighten the screw. Oh, you will tighten the screw, of course. This is good for a better stand. Good job. Safety first, as you can see, safety first. Oh yeah, strong arms, isn't it? There it is. Now, let's head up to reassemble the plus pole and the plus clamp. But we will need a little bit of terminal grease. Yeah, take a little bit of terminal grease on top of the pole and then reassemble the clamp of the plus pole by using A wrench, of course, 10 millimeter. Rotate the clamp right turn, or the nut on top of the clamp, of course. Yeah, right. Yeah, tighten it. Oh, good job. Nice. Job's done. Plus pole assembled. Now let's head up to the right side of the battery. Under this cover, there is the minus pole. This minus pole we have to reassemble again under the clamp of the minus pole and give some terminal grease on top again. Yeah, good job. And push it back in position and tighten the nut at the minus pole by using a wrench. 10 millimeter. Rotate it right turn, not left turn, right turn. Yes. Yeah, good job. Yeah, you're the best man in town. Good job. Battery reassembled. New battery, of course. Use quality, not the cheaper way. Easy. Now you have to give the code back to the radio again, and then job's done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And see you again. Easy, as you can see. Soon.